This 2021 Holiday Rambler Nautica 35 Mega Siemens is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Metropolis Decor, amber cabinetry interior, sleeps 5, TV, air conditioning, awning, auxiliary battery, Colorado Detector, external shower, DVD player, skylight, self-contained, leveling jacks, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Holiday Rambler Nautica 35 Mega Siemens is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.